Hello, my name is Matthias. In this video, I will introduce you the brand new installation boxes for Lunawood decking. A correct installation plays a critical role in the durability, ventilation and overall appearance of Lunawood ThermoWood decking boards. Lunawood Installation Boxes provides a complete, ready-to-use solution, including stainless steel screw, Profix fixing, Torx bits, and the installation guideline. Each clip creates a consistent 6 mm 1/4 of an inch gap between the boards to ensure air circulation and a clean, uniform aesthetic without any visible screws on the surface. All Profix fixings are color matched in deep grey color to blend nicely to the gaps of Lunawood decking boards. The boxes are available in 3 different options: Profix 2, Profix 2 PLUS and Profix 3 to meet different installation methods and board profiles. With the Lunawood installation boxes, installer can achieve a faster, clean-cut and technically secured installation tailored specifically for Lunawood applications.